Hello, it's Miss Heather, piano and voice teacher at Conservatory of the Ozarks. I'm here today with
Olivia.
And we are going to make a video so Olivia can practice all the moves to part of your world this week at home between her online lessons. I'm going to see if I can sit to do this so you can see me both ways. Okay, so it starts out with look at this stuff, I think. Look at this stuff, isn't it neat? Yes. So you take one hand and put it across your body like this, and you go like you're swiping. Here, maybe I'll have to.
And I thought my sister saying look at part of the world before I forgot her news. She did.
So we go, look at this stuff, isn't it neat? And then we go, wouldn't you think my collection's complete, with your other hand? And then just hands regular down like this, wouldn't you think? And then put your hands like this. I'm the girl who has everything. So let's try that again. This hand across. Look at this stuff, isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who has everything? And then we can do like the same thing again. Look at this trove, treasures untold. And then we take both palms up like this in question hands. How many wonders can one cavern hold? And then put your hands back down and we have, looking around here you'd think, sure. And then you just shrug like this. Sure. She's got everything. And you can do both hands like this for everything. Sure. Like if you're not that excited about something and you kind of shrug, you're like, sure. She's got everything. And then the next thing, we make an excited face and we put down one palm, like you're showing something. And then you're like, like you're showing another thing. So, she's got gadgets and gizmos aplenty. I've got who's its and what's its galore. And then you keep both hands like this. You want thingamabobs? I've got 20. It's like you're holding something in your hands to show to someone. And then you're like, meh. But who cares? No big deal. And then again you like, I want more. Yeah. Okay, so let's try that much again. See if I can remember how it starts. Look at this stuff, isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? I can't remember if that's how it starts. Let me get my book really fast to be sure that I'm not telling you the wrong thing. Is it in the purple book?
It's in the purple.
Okay. So I don't remember it out of my head the wrong way. Oh, I was right. Okay. Here we go. Look at this stuff. Isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who has everything? Look at this trove, treasures untold. How many wonders can one cavern hold? Looking around here you'd think, sure, she's got everything. I've got gadgets and gizmos aplenty. I got who's its and what's its galore. You want thingamabobs? I got 20. But who cares? No big deal. Sad face. And now, like an excited face. I want more. Yeah, very good. And then, I want to be. And so she's underwater, right? So where are the people? If she was going to look at the people, which way would she look? She'd have to look up to where the people are. So she's like, I want to be where the people are. And maybe we can stop there because that's kind of like the first part. And then we'll do more next time. Do you think you can learn that much of the moves this week?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, great job. Ooh, let's give Olivia 2 thumbs up. You give yourself 2 thumbs up? Okay. Great job.